All right, guys. Woo, first day of summer and it has kicked in. All right, guys, so we just left Loganville taking care of Miss Dunn. Her wood floors full of wax. Also her countertops. Since today, I've booked 3 in-home consultations. I booked 1 for tomorrow. He's in Cummings, so we're gonna go look at his floor while we're in Cummings before we go to our Cummings job. And I booked 1 for Monday in Decatur because we have a job in Decatur, and I booked 1 for next Wednesday. Then I had another guy who just went on to set his appointment up for July the 1st. He has a condo in Atlanta that he's on Piedmont Avenue that he's putting on the market. So anyway, guys, we just got to our second job. This is a basement concrete cleaning. One thing about this service, every time somebody calls me from this service, it's always from the YouTube videos, all right? Because a lot of people don't know if these floors can be cleaned, and they start calling other companies. And just like my client, Mr. Evan, told me, he said, yeah, Courtney, I had these companies coming in talking about $10,000, $15,000, because they want to do like an epoxy, you know, and a lot of people don't want that. They just want the floors cleaned, get all that Georgia red clay off of it so they can put their belongings and use their basement into storage. So let me show you guys what we got going. All right, guys, so it is a beautiful day. We're in Brazelton, Georgia. Beautiful day, but it's hot. All right, so let's go see what we got going. So I charge a dollar a square foot to clean these floors, 1,800 square feet. And guys, look, he actually told me, he said, Courtney, I thought that was cheap. He said, I thought it was gonna be like 3 or 4 grand. But again, guys, I do have clients that tell me all the time, like, Courtney, your price is actually a lot more reasonable than we thought. Then I do have some people say, oh, that's out of our budget. But, you know, that's why you have to, you know, just use the people who willing to pay your price. All right, guys, so that's what we're doing. So these are the concrete floors we are doing. We was having issues with the power, but we finally found an outlet. Nice, nice. So as you can see, we've already cleaned over here. See how it's drying? And we're just using a neutralizer in our water just to get a good rinse on these floors, using a PEX 500. So we're gonna be doing all of this. All right. All right, guys, get these floors clean really good, and then go have some dinner, take a shower, and get ready for tomorrow. All right, guys, stay tuned. Guys, that is going to do it. This I keep saying countertop. This concrete floor looks totally different. You can see that it's really clean now. So right now, dried out, put a little sealer on it. And yeah, so now the client can put his stuff. Hey, Edwin, you want to go check it out? Check it out. So now he can put his belongings back down till they decide what they want to do with the basement. Now, I will tell people, one thing I would not advise, do not put wood floors in your basement. I would say go with a tile or either have them just home down. But yeah, man, these floors look so much better. What you think, Edwin?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Yes, sir. Clean. Yes, sir. Come look back here where you can see, we're to see what's dry, because we started back here first. So we're going to put the sealer down.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yep.
Look at that.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Truman's the man.
Thank you.
Call him up.
Thank you. Like I say, guys, I don't do a lot of these. I probably do maybe one every month or two. But when I do these projects, I don't mind. Just really just extracting, the dirt from the concrete. Concrete is porous, so a lot of stuff soaks into the concrete, and that's why you can see how much better the concrete looks now. And plus it won't take long to dry anyway. So but like I said, when people find me from this service, it's usually always 90% of the time it's YouTube, or if I don't know, if someone told them that I did theirs, which I had that a few times. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it. We're going to go ahead and head on in, and then tomorrow you'll see us in Cummings. I have an in-home consultation in the morning in Cummings, and then we have a screen to recoat with the UV cure, and also countertops. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.